Hello, everybody. Now, as this, oh shoot, you're not supposed to see that. I already did this video, but it messed up and it was darker in the area I started in. So, this is an unboxing video. We're gonna keep it all in. Unboxing video. I just went out to Walmart to buy a couple things, and I bought a couple of extra things I should have not bought. So, I'm gonna do a reboxing video. See me reboxing an item I bought, and just unbox it again for you. So the first item I'm gonna show you is a Tiki I got. It's Harley Quinn. The Tiki Heroes and Villains. Oh, it's stackable. Oh, okay. Well, you have to tell like a Tiki. You got Joker, Superman, Batman, and Wonder Woman. I got Harley Quinn. My mom got Wonder Woman. Well, that's the one I got her. She loves her some Wonder Woman. And the second item I bought, well, actually, the first time I bought with my own money. I have not bought a Yu-Gi-Oh thing in a while. Bam! Mystery Power Pack. You get 2 booster packs, 5 bonus packs, 1 vintage pack, and 1 mysterious item. Mysterious item I got. I don't really watch 5Ds, so I don't really like it. You could have got like sleeves, a graded card, a necklace, maybe like a little medallion or something. I may just give this to one of my friends that watches 5D. But sorry if you can't really see it, but it is number 16 out of 24. And I got, tell you, oh, he's, the owner is, oh, this is also stickers, Jake Atlas. Don't know who that is. Probably from 5Ds. Okay, so I got 5, count them, 5 Battle Pack 3 Monster Leagues. I got 1 Judgment of Light, 1 Primal Origin, and 1 Invasion of Chaos. Now this video ain't long enough, so what I'm going to do is open them. So first, before we open these, let's open the battle packs, shall we? So let's go. If I can open them. Today was a long day, okay? Okay. Oh, some nice cards. Got Blast with Chain, Berserk Gorilla, Dodger Dragon, Quantum Cat, and Jellybean Man. That's out of the first battle pack. I mean, this box is pretty nice. I kind of wish I got the graded card. Or something better than a necklace. Even a medallion. Even sleeves. I would accept sleeves because now I have something to put these in. Okay, I got ready for intercepting. Konami with Chain. Oh, God. I'm not going to say it. Offerings to the Dune. And Ghost Trick Jack Frost. Bam! I got a snowman card and it's almost Christmas. Get out of here, Jack Atlas. Jackless. I'm still right there. I got Bashing Shield, Unstoppable Evolution, Lion Alligator, Nightbeam, and Electromagnetic bagworm. Bam. For a second, I couldn't read it. Okay, we got two more Battle Pack 3 Monster League. You asked Joel, why are you reviewing these cards? Forbidden Dress, Sacred Train, Flame Tiger. Actually, I already have that card. Forgotten Temple of the Deep. I'm not going to pronounce that one, but I will show you. Why am I showing you, talking about these cards? Well, this is called House of Randomness, the channel, right? Randomness. So you mainly expect another challenge video, or me and Mom just doing nothing, or whatever, challenge. It's random. Anything can happen. I could tear all these cards up if I wanted to, but I'm not, because I'm a collector. Miracle Locust. Recycling Batteries. I'm not going to say his first name. It's the Warm Warrior. Valhalla, the Hall of the Fallen. And Hypenicorn. I just saw what you about did. You about knocked over my movies, crazy. Get down. Go. Okay, this is our last. No, that was our last battle pack. Now we're going to move on to Primal Origin. Dun, 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 dun. Gotta make this more interesting. I've gotta make this more interesting. My hat is... It's not... Give me a second. Technical difficulties. Let me try to say words. Bam! How about that, huh? I'll be Yoda. I can't talk like Yoda, but I can sure talk like this for the rest of the video. No, I'm not gonna do that. Okay, we got Shogun Knight, Ghost Trick Parade, Ancient Gearbox, Galaxy Dragon, Dawn Knight, number 42, Galaxy Tomahawk, Sprout, Ventition, I don't know the rest of it, Artifacts Unleashed, Steve, give me one quick second. I got a couple more packs open, then you can finish your video. I got a couple more packs to open, then you can finish your little video over there. Boonjin Warg. Vertical Landing. You want to come do this, Steve? Cheap. Boonjin Turtle. V Salamander. Boonjin, okay. XYZ Agent. Ice Princess Zero. I'm sorry I can't pronounce some of these. XYZ Revenge Shuffle. Steve, you know what I should do? Like whenever we go to like the DMV or my mind has skipped it. Like maybe even the arena. Like record our adventures.
Right.
Primal cool. Seed. I like antique shops. I'm not gonna say one. Heart of the Underdog. I used to use this card all the time. Chaos Rider. I'm not gonna say. Gestapo. That's what it looks like. Dark. This one, it's a bird. Soul Absorption. Chop Man, the Desperate Outlaw. Oh my god, I remember these cards. Oh my god. I can never say it. But I remember there was a yellow one, the green one. Prickle Fairy. Well, that's the end of the video. I showed you every card I got. I showed you Harley. I showed you the necklace. It's probably going to go to a friend of mine. Because I don't watch 5Ds. Anything else we can add to this video, Steve, before I end it?
You add your cats to it?
I always add my cats to the video. You don't look happy. Yeah. Oh, you need some food, don't you? You're hungry. Come here. Give me a second. Alex, you want food? You come here and you show up to the camera. Come here. I know you like to climb ladders. Come here. Whoa. Yeah, Alex. My little fluff's on me. Okay, I'll get you guys food in a second.
Anything else there?
Goodbye.